In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a location in the Waze app for 2025. If you're new to Waze or just looking to make your commute easier by saving your frequent stops, this guide is for you. Let's dive in and explore how you can save locations for quick and easy navigation, making your travels more convenient than ever. First, let's get started by opening the Waze app on your phone. You'll want to make sure that the app is updated to the latest version, just to ensure you have all the newest features. Once you've opened Waze, look around for the search icon. It looks like a magnifying glass and is usually positioned at the top or bottom of your screen, depending on your app layout. Now, once you've tapped that search icon, you will see the search bar ready to guide you on your next journey. Here's where you'll enter the address, place name, or point of interest that you'd like to save for future reference. It could be anything, from your favorite coffee shop to that airport you're headed to next week. Type in the details accurately and then watch as a list of results appears. Select the correct location from this list of search results to proceed. Double check the information here to make sure it's correct because the next step is crucial for saving it for future use. After selecting your location, you'll be directed to the location's info screen. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the option labeled Add to Favorites, which is typically represented by a star icon. Once you've found it, tap on it to add this location to your favorites list. You also have the option to give this place a custom name. This can be especially handy if the name isn't descriptive enough or if you have a personal label you'd like to use for quick identification. After you've personalized the name, find the Done or Save button on the screen and tap it. This action will ensure that your chosen location is saved for future reference. Now let's talk about some convenient shortcuts built into the app for saving your most frequent trips, such as home and work. You'll find these by navigating to the Saved Places section in the app. Here you can see specific slots for home and work locations. Simply tap on one of them, home or work, enter the corresponding address, and tap Save. From this point forward, navigating to either location will be as simple as a single tap on the app. So there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to organize your navigation needs in the Waze app, making your driving experience smoother and stress-free. Now you can easily plan your travels with just a few taps, allowing you more time to focus on the journey ahead. Happy travels!